Welcome to Tech Office. Hope you are having a great day. How can we make a chart and save and print it? Let's see. First, choose Insert from the ribbon. Choose Recommended Chart. You can find many shapes. Let's choose this. As you see, chart explain every student with his full degree and his degree. You can remove full degree by handle this and pull it right. You can edit the chart location. Then click Escape from the keyboard. Then don't forget to save your work. There is two methods. If you will save it for the first time, choose File from the ribbon, and then choose Save As. Then choose this PC, and write folder name here. Then click Save. And the second method. If you already have a work you saved before, you can click at this to save your work. Let's make a print. Choose File, and then choose Print. Here you find that it will copy it to papers. So, change the from portrait to landscape from here. Then you can click Print. Thanks for watching and see you in next videos.